Littlekins TV.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our 4th episode of our zoo tour. Today we're going to meet the reptiles. Are you ready? Let's go! Next stop, the reptiles. These amazing creatures come in all shapes and sizes, and each one has unique features that make them special. We're going to take a look at the turtles first. This is the common snapping turtle. The common snapping turtle is known for its powerful jaws and rugged appearance. They live in a variety of freshwater environments across North America, such as ponds, lakes, swamps, and rivers. Fun fact, these turtles can live for over 30 years in the wild and are excellent hunters and scavengers. This is the Galapagos tortoise. Galapagos tortoises are the largest tortoises in the world, known for their massive size and long lifespan. They are found on the Galapagos Islands. Fun fact, these tortoises can live for over 100 years and weigh up to 900 pounds. The last of the 3 turtles, the eastern box turtle. Eastern box turtles have a distinctive domed shell that can close completely, protecting them from predators. They inhabit forests, meadows, and wetlands in the eastern United States. Fun fact, eastern box turtles have a homing instinct that helps them find their way back to their territory. Now let's go see the lizards. First is the horned lizard. Horned lizards are small reptiles with spiky scales and horns on their heads. They live in deserts and scrublands of North and Central America. Fun fact, horned lizards can squirt blood from their eyes to deter predators. Wow, this is the green iguana. Green iguanas are large green lizards with a row of spines along their back. They are native to Central and South America and live in trees near water. Fun fact, green iguanas are excellent swimmers and can drop from high trees to escape predators. Okay, this is the bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are medium-sized lizards known for their beard of spiky scales that puffs out when they are threatened. They live in deserts and dry forests of Australia. Fun fact, bearded dragons can change color to regulate their body temperature and communicate with other dragons. Let's take a look at the fascinating snakes. Wow, this is the rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes with a distinctive rattle at the end of their tail. They are found in a variety of habitats, including deserts, grasslands, and forests in the Americas. Fun fact, the rattle on a rattlesnake's tail is made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. Look at this large constrictor snake. This is the golden tie python. Golden tie pythons are large, beautifully colored snakes with golden and white scales. They live in the forest and grasslands of Southeast Asia. Fun fact, these pythons are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes underwater. Beautiful and colorful. This is the variable bush viper. Variable bush vipers are small, brightly colored snakes with keeled scales that give them a rough texture. They inhabit rainforests in Central and West Africa. Fun fact, these vipers are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their time in trees. The last stop in our tour of reptiles is the crocodilians. These fascinating creatures include the alligator, crocodile, and false gharial. This is the alligator. Alligators are large reptiles with a broad snout and powerful tail. They are found in freshwater environments like rivers, lakes and swamps in the southeastern United States and China. Fun fact: alligators have a special valve in their throat that allows them to open their mouth underwater without swallowing water. Next is the crocodile. Crocodiles are large, powerful reptiles with a V-shaped snout and tough, scaly skin. They live in tropical regions around the world, in rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Fun fact: crocodiles can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and are excellent hunters. Last but not least, the false gharial. False gharials have long, slender snouts and are often mistaken for true gharials. They are found in freshwater habitats in Southeast Asia. Fun fact: false gharials can grow up to 16 feet long and have a varied diet that includes fish and small mammals. Did you enjoy this episode? The next tour will feature our final episode of this tour, the birds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Little Kins TV.